Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to teach you how you guys can make money with clickbank by free traffic with Twitter. Okay, um, you guys may have clickbank affiliate program. If you don't have, go and sign for the clickbank. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything. You're just signing up and you get access to so many products and services that you can promote and make money. It's very simple. I regularly, if I have spare time, I just put my time on the clickbank and try to promote some product and I get some good commission. Okay, I want you guys to do the same and you will get good commission. So what I'm going to do, just signing for my clickbank affiliate program. I'm going to marketplace. Okay, this is marketplace. I'm already in it, and I'm going to choose the product. This is the category for those product. Okay, for example, if I want to promote art and entertainment, okay, I have many product that coming up. What I'm going to do, going to gravity, it means I can find the best selling product in the clickbank. So this is the gravity. I can see the piano. For all this is the kind of training, I think some training website or something that the people promoting well and it converting very well. Okay, as you guys can see, 22% sell, $22.8 is the price. Okay, this 60% is converting for the sale. Okay, and it does convert very well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to promote this product. Okay, I don't need to do anything. I just put some, for example, net zoo. This is, for example, my tracking ID. Okay, once this word comes up on the, you can see this is the word coming up on the link. Okay, this is my link. If I promote this link, I will get commission. Okay, I think it's 60% commission. Okay, 60%. If I promote these things, it could be $10 to $15 per uh, you know uh, per product that the people signing up or purchasing or something. Okay, I'm going to copy this one. Okay, I copied, I think. Yeah, just one more. Yeah, I copied already. Okay, and I'm going to see the product first. Okay, I'm going to look at the product. How is the product looks like. Okay, it's very simple, guys. Try just take your time and just try to find some good product and promote it. It's very simple. You don't need to pay for anything. It's simple, free. The people like to learn piano. They can purchase this product. Okay, what I have to do, I'm going to the product. I can see the people just commenting. The people just give some reviews on this product, or maybe it's the website review something. It looks cool. The people like to see this kind of things. And okay, once the people wants to order, they put the order and they it's about $39. So what you're going to do is you go to $39 is good. If I want to learn piano, for example, if I like to learn piano, okay? If I like to learn piano, if I have a piano, I definitely purchase this product. Okay, this things. It's going to be very simple. Like I'm going to learn piano, and I don't need, to go to class or something. I'm very happy for this kind of, uh, you know, knowledge that I can earn money very simple. I don't need to pay for anything. I just take my time, be optimistic, and that's it. So can see the reviews. It looks nice. I take this, for example, I take this title. Okay, imagine being able to sit down at a piano and just play balls to pop or whatever. Okay, and then now it's your turn to be the life and soul of the party. Looks good title. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to, yes, I'm going to copy this title and picture from this product. I'm going to Quora. If you guys don't have Quora account, I recommend just signing up. It's free too, It's similar to Twitter, so you don't need to pay for anything. You're going to ask some question, okay? Some question, yeah, you're going to ask some question. How to learn piano faster? Yeah, okay, how to learn piano faster. I'm going to answer this question, okay? I'm going to answer this question, and what I'm going to do, I already copied that title with the picture. I'm going to paste here. I can see this title and the picture coming up in the Quora account. What I'm going to do, I can do edit something, I don't like this title. Okay, and I can put my link here. Okay, it's very simple. I don't need to. I can put my link here. For example, uh, click here to learn the piano. Okay, click here to learn the piano. This is the people going to click on it. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the link in this title. I'm going to yeah, clickbank again. I think I lost the product. I just go back, and what was my maybe I think it was net zoo whatever. I don't, you don't have to worry about it. You can put, for example, piano. Okay, this is the tracking link, just showing you how you can see the end of your link, the word that you're choosing. Okay, that you just recognize this is your link. Okay, when someone signing up. Anyway, I copy that one. I go back to Quora. I paste my link here. Okay, paste my link here, add, boom, this is my link. When the people read this title, okay, this title, and they click on this, and they see the picture, it's cool, and the people like to play piano or something, and I going to post it in the Twitter too. Okay, you guys can see this is the Twitter that I post for the Twitter as well. I'm going to submit this, okay, to confirm that this product is promoted on the Quora and Twitter. You can share in the Facebook, but I have to work on my Facebook first. Then already I share on the Twitter, so I don't need to share again. So I have done promote this product. Okay, I'm going to my Twitter account, and I just maybe refresh this one, that I can see is my product is coming. Yeah, is my product is in Twitter or not. This is my product in the Twitter. Like you can see, I answered this question. How my answer to how I learn piano faster. Okay, how can I learn piano faster? Freedom. It says answer. Okay, this is uh, my account. I answered this question. I put the link on it. Okay, the people when they wants to read this tweet, they just click on the tweet and they earn some good commission. I earn some good commission. Sorry. Okay, they learn the piano. Okay, that is it, guys. That is very simple. I hope you guys learn something from this video. It's very simple, guys. It's free. You don't need to pay for anything. And yeah, that's it, guys. Just go on to the clickbank, sign up. It's free, and promote this kind of product. You guys can see so many products. I just choose the cheapest one. So so many products that you can choose from. And this is $270. One product is converting very well, 72%. A magic trick and something. Yeah, like the people wants to learn some magic trick, they go and to this kind of website, and they wants to purchase some tricks or tips or something, and you guys can take some title from this website, and put on the Twitter and the Facebook and the Quora. It's free. The people signing up, you're getting paid. Okay, it's very simple. uh, yeah, I'm going definitely promote this product next time. But anyway, yeah, hope you guys enjoy. And yeah, next video I'm going to show you, in the next video I'm going to show you how you guys can promote clickbank product in so many other ways. I knew so many other traffic that you can promote. Maybe you pay for it sometimes, but so many other traffic that you don't need to pay for it. You just need to work hard and get commission. Okay, if you guys enjoyed this video, please thumbs up the video. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell that you guys get notified when I upload a video. Okay, and I will see you guys